Today, we're exploring the charming city of Leiden in the Netherlands. From historic sites to modern amenities, Leiden has it all. Let's dive in. Welcome to Hidden Horizon. Join us as we reveal hidden corners of the world, unravel cultural mysteries, and explore destinations shrouded in wonder. Welcome to Leiden, Netherlands, a must-see, attractions and amenities. First up, the beautiful canals of Leiden. These waterways are perfect for a boat tour or a kayak adventure, offering stunning views of the city's historic architecture. History buffs, you'll love the Rijksmuseum van Leiden. This museum is packed with artifacts from ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome. It's a fascinating journey through time. Next, let's visit the Hortus Botanicus Leiden, one of the oldest botanical gardens in the world. With its exotic plants and serene atmosphere, it's the perfect spot for a peaceful stroll or a picnic. For a taste of medieval history, head to De Burgt. This ancient fortress offers panoramic views of Leiden and is surrounded by lovely gardens. It's a great place to soak up the city's history and beauty. Science and medicine enthusiasts, don't miss Museum Boerhaave. Named after the famous Dutch physician Herman Boerhaave, this museum showcases the history of science with fascinating exhibits and interactive displays. And of course, a visit to Leiden wouldn't be complete without seeing Molen de Valk, a traditional Dutch windmill. Climb to the top for an amazing view of the city. For shopping and dining, check out Haarlemmerstraat and the surrounding area. From boutique shops to delicious restaurants, there's something for everyone. Be sure to try some local Dutch specialties like herring and pancakes. If you need a break, Leiden has beautiful parks like Plansen Park and Van der Werf Park. These green spaces are perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Finally, don't miss Leiden's festivals and events. From the Leiden International Film Festival to the annual Flower Parade, there's always something happening in this vibrant city. Leiden is a city that perfectly blends history, beauty, and modern amenities. So there you have it, exploring Leiden, must-see attractions and amenities. Thanks for joining this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing destinations. See you next time. Thanks for watching Wonders of Our World. Stay tuned for more incredible places and adventures.